As sunrise colors the sky, a drone sits ready on the ground. Its rotors spin up, and with a surge, it lifts off, modern engineering in motion. The operator, miles away, grips a controller. Every thumb movement sends nuanced commands, instantly transmitted as radio waves. The drone's receiver decodes these signals, and its flight controller, its brain, adjusts each motor's speed for precise movement. Takeoff is a symphony. The controller signals, ESCs regulate power, and synchronized propellers generate lift. To move, the drone tilts and shifts power between motors, all managed by the flight controller in real time. This seamless connection makes the drone feel like an extension of the operator's will. The result? Stable, agile flight, ready for any mission. From stillness to sky, it's a dance of technology and human intent. Every flight is a testament to the power of control and innovation. The journey begins with a simple command, and the sky is no longer the limit. This is the marvel of drone flight. Once airborne, the drone relies on GPS to pinpoint its location and follow preset routes. Operators can plot waypoints, and the drone autonomously navigates, holding course even in wind. But GPS isn't enough for complex environments. Drones use ultrasonic sensors and cameras to detect obstacles. Sensor data feeds into the flight controller, which makes split-second adjustments to avoid collisions. AI-powered processors analyze this data, distinguishing walls from bushes and predicting moving objects' paths. The drone adapts, slowing or rerouting as needed, crucial for missions beyond direct operator control. An internal measurement unit, packed with accelerometers and gyros, keeps the drone stable. If wind tilts the drone, the IMU detects it instantly, and the controller compensates, maintaining a steady platform. This rapid feedback loop ensures smooth flight and clear video, even in challenging conditions. Autonomy and intelligence make modern drones more than remote-controlled toys. They're smart, adaptable machines. Drones are the operator's eyes in the sky, thanks to high-res cameras on stabilizing gimbals. The gimbal keeps footage smooth, while operators remotely pan, tilt, or zoom for a perfect view. Live video streams back in real time, creating a first-person view, essential for piloting and quick decisions. Drones serve diverse roles, searching for missing persons, mapping fires, monitoring crops, and delivering packages. In agriculture, they spot crop issues early and enable precision spraying, saving resources. For logistics, drones deliver packages autonomously, landing them safely at your doorstep. In security, drones patrol perimeters, follow targets, and stream live intel, transforming surveillance. They gather data and provide situational awareness without risking human lives. From rescue to delivery, drones are revolutionizing how we see and interact with the world. Their real-time intel is changing industries and saving lives. Drone data isn't just live video, it's a resource for analysis and decision-making. High-res images and sensor data create 3D models and maps, transforming construction, science, and more. Drones are evolving, smaller, smarter, and working in swarms for complex tasks like mapping or light shows. This rapid progress is making jobs safer, logistics faster, and data more accessible. Drones democratize the sky, empowering individuals and industries alike. With advances in AI and batteries, drones will become even more integrated into daily life. From sunrise liftoff to complex missions, drones are a transformative force. The sky is open, and drones are reshaping our world.